when a storm rolls through and knocks your power out, you got to make do with what you got. And when you got deadlines, you got to keep working. So thankfully, this isn't going in any showrooms. I'll do the best bondo job that I can. As soon as the power comes back on, we'll be able to see what that'll really look like, of course. But for right now, I'm going to keep working, keep going, keep making progress. I got a deadline. Less than a week. No, sorry, less than 2 weeks. Gotta keep cranking. Let's get to it.